Welcome, welcome to Seekers Gateway Lottery channel. If today is your first time watching my video or channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe, like the video and share. Please, if today is your first time, do not forget to subscribe. That will help you to get notification once I upload a new plan. So today is national. My national plan is taken from the National Home Board, but is from the year 1987. Okay, 1987. The event number is 1313. Event 1313. So this is what is happening here. You meet a number at first box 24. This number plus 53. 3 weeks up 1, 2, 3. The result will sit at second box. And that will connect 56 at center box. And on the line of the 24 will go plus 58 to give you 82 at center box in winning. And in machine at center box, you meet a group 375. A week up, it will sit at first. So what it means is that this double 7, 3 weeks down will go minus 54 to give us this 24. The 24 plus 58 to give us the 82. And then you meet, the double 7 will connect with 56. You meet 75, okay? That 75 will play at first box and jump the following week to center boxing machine. So right after that, counting weeks, you make this figure 86, okay? And so from here, we need to do counting weeks again. When we count, you meet this constant number 21, okay? Correct counting weeks, you meet 34. They are all maintaining position. Correct counting weeks, you meet double 7. And 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, you meet 16. Okay? So right after this, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You meet a group 7. It's 70. 3 weeks up, 40. We sit on top of the group 7. And right after that, 1, 2, 3, 4, you meet 49. Maintaining position at 4th in machine. Okay? Correct counting weeks, you made this figure 52. So this 52 means that the 70 went minus 18 to give us this 52. Okay, so right after that, correct counting weeks, you will meet this figure 22. Okay, maintaining position. And then from here, correct counting weeks, you meet this figure. The figure here is 63, meaning this 63 plus 7 will give us this 70 here. All right? So you meet this figure. Also at position. Correct counting weeks, you meet this figure 23, maintaining position. Okay, and then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks up, this figure will also maintain position 32. And on top of it, you meet the figure 85. So meaning this 85 minus 15 will give us the 70 here. Okay? And then, once that play, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you meet 27 as a constant figure. Okay? So, starting point, double 7. 3 weeks down minus 53 will give us this 24. And then the double 7 will connect 56 as center box in winning. The 24 will go plus 58 to give us the 82. We sit here. Okay. And then once that play, you meet a group 3, 75 at center. Where is it coming from? A week up, it sits at first. So it will sit at first box in machine. And then we'll jump to center box in machine. And this is the next event. The numbers that are 80, 24, 86, 28, 70. So from 1987, friends, even 1313, let's compare to the current side. All right, so on the current side, this is how it's operating. This is how the current is operating. We meet a number at second box, 60, minus 53. 123 will give us single 7, will sit at first box. And then the 60 will connect 56 at center box in winning. The single 7 plus 58 will give us 65, will sit at center box in winning. And when we move to the machine side, we meet a group 3, single 3 at center. Where is it coming from? A weak up will sit at first. So the 3 will play at first, will repeat to center. So after this, correct counterweights, you make this figure constant. And then from here, correct counterweights, you make this figure constant. Correct counterweights, you make this figure constant. Correct counterweights, you meet 77. And then from there, 3 ways down, 1, 2, 3, 16, also maintaining position. Okay, so from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you meet a group 7, representing 70. 3 ways up, 40 will sit on top of that number. Okay, 40 will sit on top of the number. And then from the 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 49 will sit at 4th box in machine. Okay, from here, correct counterweights, you meet single 7. So meaning this 58, this 25, I beg your pardon, I'll take it again. This 25 minus 18 will give us this single 7. On the old plan, the single 7 here is 52. And then the 25 is 70 on the old plan. All right, so after here, correct counterweights, you meet this figure. 22, friends. Maintaining position. Okay. And then from there, correct counterweights will meet this group 9 at position 18. Meaning this figure plus 7 will give us the 25 here. Just like the previous plan, it is 63. That is here. So plus 7 will give us 70. But the current side is using the counterpart for the second setting. All right, so once that play, correct counterweights from the 18 will meet this figure, 23. And then from here, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks up. You meet these figures. They're all maintaining position. And then on top of it, you meet a group 4. Previously, it's 85. So this 40, okay, minus 15 will give us the 25 here. Okay, will give us this 25 here. All right, so you meet this figure, 40. And then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You meet this figure, 27. Also maintaining position. All right, so let's go back to the previous. So, like I said earlier, this is the next event. Okay, this is the next event. So, you realize that numbers that are constant here are 56. Okay, 86, 21, 34, 7, 16, 40, 49, double 2, okay, this is double 2, 23, 32, and of course, 27. But all this setup, there's only one thing that is occurring. So you realize, friends, you realize there is this figure 40, okay, this figure 40 will key. So friends, you realize this 40 here, correct counterweights correct counting ways will key to give us this 86. Okay, so the plan is saying that this 86 should jump. Okay, because this 86 is constant, or equally the 40 here should key to the 86. And aside that, we have a constant 23 at first box. The plan is saying that this 23, this 2, 3 here should partner. We partner 23, we'll get 24 on the event. Okay, and aside that, the plan continues to say this 70 that went minus 18 to give us the 52. This 52 here should key. When you key the 52, that will give us 28 on the event. Okay, that will give us the 28 on the event. And also the 75. You see, this 75 played at first and repeated to center ball. So this 75 should equivalent to 24 is on the event. And of course, the plan is suggesting that this 70 here, this 70 here, that way minus 80 to give us this figure. Okay, plus 15 to give us the 85 here. Minus 7 to give us this 63 here. The same figure is jumping. So this 70 should jump as a live banker and play with each difference 10 plus 10 of it. 70, 80. Okay, and of course, the plan is suggesting that you see this figure, double 7 that one minus 53 to give us the 24 that sits at first box. This 24 should repeat. Okay, so friends, you also realize that apart from the 23 partnering to give us the 24, this same 23 should shadow. We shadow 23 will give us 80. It's also on the event. Okay, it's also on the event. So moving to the current side. What it means is that this constant 24 here, this 24 here, sorry, this 23, why? What's going on? I beg your pardon, friends. This constant 23 here should shadow to 80, and at the same time, it should partner to 24. Okay, and aside that, you realize this 40 here keyed to give us the 86. So the 86 should jump, or the better still, the 40 should key. Okay, the 40 should key. And also, let's not forget that representing the 52 is single 7. This figure plus 18 will give us this 25 here. So this figure, according to the plan, this single 7 must key to give us 54. Okay, and also the group 3, this single 3 that played and repeated to center, played at first, repeated to center, should equivalent to single 6. Okay, and also this 25. Okay, this 25 that went minus 18 to give us the single 7. Went minus 7 to give us this 18. And then went plus 15 to give us this 40 here. Correct counting ways. The plan is suggesting that this 25 must jump with each difference 10. 25, 35. And also, this figure 60, that went minus 53 to give us this single 7, and then the single 7 going plus 58 to give us the 65. This single 7, the plan is suggesting that this single 7 must repeat to single 7. All right. So friends, for my national, these are my predictions. Okay, these are my predictions for national. My banker is 25. Okay, 2 direct 25, 35. Second one 24, 86. Okay, and then my best 5 25, 35, 86. Single 6, 80. Permutation single 7, 25, 54, 24, 86, 35, 80. And of course the bank the event, sorry, the event is 80, 24, 86, 28, 70. My contact is 0557486045. The name still remains Emmanuel Martin. All right, friends. So whatever your observations are, kindly share in comment section. And if you appreciate the plan, do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you once again for showing up. I wish us good luck in advance. Please let us always play according to our might. Play according to your pocket. But this game is good, so we can try our best on it. I wish us good luck once more.